Hi everyone, my name is Arthur and you are on MSDC Mass Learning Center YouTube channel. So today we're gonna talk about some math SAT problems. So starting from March, SAT became digital in international sites, and we notice that some kind of problems you meet definitely on any SAT exam. So from practice to practice test, from real exam to real exam, my students constated the fact that they have met these kind of problems. So I would like to take 3 similar problems from real SAT digital practice test, which are available online. You can download them from my site, zhussip.kz. Zhussip is my family name, KZ because I'm from Kazakhstan. So yes, so I would like us to study this kind of problem. So we have an equation. This is basically a quadratic equation, x squared minus 34x plus c equals to 0. And in the given equation, c is a constant. The equation has no real solution if c more than n. So we need to find the least possible value of n. Okay, guys, so let me briefly remind you what is, so under what condition the quadratic equation does not have any solution. So if we have a quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c, which is equals to 0, so in order to solve it, one way of solving it is to find the discriminant and then to do something else. But the discriminant for us is a very useful thing because if it is more than 0, okay, we have 2 real roots. So we have 2 real roots if the discriminant is positive. So if it is equals to 0, we have only one distinct root, yeah, so only one root. And if the discriminant is negative, so we have no roots at all. Okay, so basically we have a coefficient 1 here, we have b coefficient negative 34, and we have c coefficient as the letter c. So yes, it is a kind sides. Okay, so we need to take these values. We have to take these values and plug them into this formula, and so we compose an inequality, yes, as they require from us that the equation have no real roots. So we need to find the segments where it is negative. So let's find the discriminant. So discriminant is 34 squared minus 4a, so we don't have a, for c, and we need to state that this should be negative. So I will take my calc and do 34 squared. So this is 1156 minus 4c less than 0. So 1156 less than 4c, and c is more 1156 over 4. So it is 289. So 289. So in the given equation, the equation has no real root and c more than n. So what is the least possible value of n? Okay, since c more than 289, so the least possible value of n is 289. Yes, so n is 289. Okay, guys, if you have some question, you can drop them into the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe for our channel. Don't forget to like this video and to share it with your friends. Okay, so the next similar question, this was taken from the practice test number 2, digital SAT test. So we have the quadratic equation and how many distinct real roots does the given equation have. Now we know that should we find the discriminant of this kind of equation and to understand whether it is positive, negative, or zero, we can conclude how many solutions does the equation have. Okay, so the discriminant, so I will write the formula for it, b squared minus 4ac. Okay, so b is 10, so 10 squared minus 4 times 5 times 16. And yep, so I take my Texas instrument to calculate this. So basically, it is possible to do it mentally, but what the heck is the reason if it is allowed? Okay, so -2 to 0. So let me just double check. 4 times 5 times 16, yes, and minus 200, yes, so -220. So if the discriminant is negative, the equation has 0 real roots. So my money goes for D. Okay. Okay, so again, should you have any question, please do not forget to ask them in the comment section below, guys, because it is very important, and I always tell this to my students. So if even the micro question do you have, or micro hesitation, so if you do not clarify it, it is not okay. Okay. So in the given equation, C is a constant. The equation has exactly one solution. So what is the value of C? Okay, so as we understood, we should write the discriminant formula to plug our values for the coefficients and to calculate discriminant. So if it is a positive, equation have 2 roots. If it is a negative, it has no roots. And if it has exactly one solution, the equation, the discriminant is 0. Okay, so the discriminant in our case is 900 because of 30 squared minus 4 minus times -9 and times C. And because it has exactly one solution, we equate it to 0. Okay, so 4 times -4 times -9, it is positive 36 C, and yeah, and it will be equal to -900. Okay, so I take this 900, I put it to the right side, they flip the sign. Okay, so 900 we divide it by 36. Okay, it's a 25, -25. Okay, so in order the equation has exactly one solution, C must be equal to -25. So this is answer number C. So yeah, just let us see. So guys, thank you very much. This is my very first experience posting in English, so don't be very judgy. But if you like this video, if it was useful, please hit the like button. Yeah, I will appreciate so much. You can donate me if you're from Kazakhstan. It is very simple. You just can send some miserable amount of money, because in this way I can understand that what I'm doing is important for you. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye, guys.